Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Kristyn's look from Barbie and the pink shoes and dress to impress. Okay, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to make it faster, I'm going to show you all the items using to create this outfit. And as you can see, I don't use so many items. I only use 8 items here. This one is from VIP, this tiara. But if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown. And then this is also from VIP. But again, if you don't have this one, you can choose another necklace. Okay, and for the hairstyle guys, you can choose this one and you're going to make it back and remove all the flowers. And for the color, you're going to color it with this one and you can combine it with this hairstyle and make it the same color. And for this one, you're going to choose no bangs. For the color, just make it the same color. And then for the top, you're going to apply this corset and color it with this color. Okay, for the next one. Alright, and then you're going to change the material to glitter. But sorry, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. And then you're going to put on this skirt from the Madoka set. You can choose no bow. And then for the color, you're going to make it this color. Okay. And then you're going to put on this mirror heels and choose palette version. And then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and now it's done. And this is for the final result. That's so simple yet gorgeous. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Kristyn from Barbie and the pink shoes and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.